As you can see, this vintage Rolex Explorer is in very used condition with a lot of scratches and deep dents. Also, the crystal is broken, so let's give the watch a full restoration. The first step is obviously to remove the bracelet. Next, I'm going to disassemble the case. In order to take the movement out of the case, I have to loosen 2 screws and take out the crown. And I use a special tool to remove the bezel, but as you can see, the crystal is stuck in the bezel, so I'm going to pop it out with this little press. Now I'm going to unscrew the crown tube. In order to get the best results, I use my laser welding machine to fill up some deep dents. Use my belt grinder to restore the watch to its original shape. Last, I'm going to apply a mirror finish with a soft polishing wheel. In my experience, this is the best technique to restore the lugs to the original Rolex finish. Next, I'm going to refinish the case back. After applying a mirror finish, I use a coarse grit to apply straight lines, and I use my lathe to apply concentric circles on the outer ring of the case back. And as you can see, the case back looks like new. And last, I'm going to refinish the bracelet. First, I refinish the inside of the bracelet. And then I'm going to remove the deep scratches with my polishing wheel. And last, I use a Bufflex wheel to apply the original brush finish to the links. And let's replace the crystal.